hell was that?
Angeles, Captain. Zethan tanks in clan ship have ruptured. Gas is emptying. All rogue will suffocate.
Boss, I've been checking the area. The imps have got a bunch of abandoned drilling sites nearby. I bet there'll be some leftover Zethan we can scrounge.
Angeles, Captain. Must collect 800 units of Zethan before tanks are empty.
We've got company. Imps have set up an LZ to the north.
Orders confirmed. We will do. Assaulting. We head for battle. Orders confirmed. More enemies. Their weapons hurt. As you command. Reinforcements deployed. Orders confirmed. Heading back to base. Yes. We are engaged. As you command. Sir. Sir. Yes. Sir. Yes. No enemies. We're losing our victory location. Sir. Yes. Sir. We destroy good. We're under attack. Taking fire. We can do it. We will corrupt them. Yes. With honor. No enemies. Glorious victory awaits. Sir. Yes. No enemies. We destroy good.
Those jerks are blowing up the drilling sites.
Captain Jacob Angelus, you are trespassing on Imperial soil. Withdraw your traitorous forces immediately, or face the consequences.
We'll trespass wherever we want, Cesaris.
We've captured a victory location. We will do. As you command.
Nikov, we've got half the supply you need. You won't have to hold your breath for much longer.
We will do.
Ooh, that was cold.
Yes. With honor. Orders confirmed. We're losing a victory location. Sir. Glorious victory awaits. We've lost a victory location. As you command. Yes. Yes. Enemies approaching. Yes. With honor. Their weapons hurt. As you command. Enemies approaching. Orders confirmed. We destroy good. We destroy good. Their weapons hurt. Sir. Assaulting. We will do. More enemies. Assaulting. We will do. Orders confirmed. More enemies. Reinforcements deployed. Sir. Sir. Cannot comply. Sir. Yes. As you command. More enemies. We can do it. We're under attack. More enemies. Eto. Not possible. Assaulting. Alpha. Keto. Eto. Assaulting. We're under attack. Keto. Eto. Enemies approaching. As you command.
That's it. 800 units of Zethan ready for delivery. All units withdraw.
Will do. Again, we owe you life, Angelus, Captain.
Saving you is quickly becoming a habit, Vikarth. But I think you'll get a chance to return the favor many times before this is over. Drakmar, if you will oversee repairs on the clan ship, I'll make sure that we can get off this planet unhindered.
Agreed, Angelus, Captain.